Hey y'all, it's Memo. I'm going to make a small batch of pralines, pecan pralines. I think I'm saying that right. Anyway, I got a small pan here. I've cut the recipe in half just for me. And I'm going to line it with graham crackers. I'll set that aside. And in my pan, I always like to use my heavy pan when I'm doing something really sweet. I've got a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of pecans, just a smidgen of cream of tartar, and a half a stick of unsalted butter. Now this is going to go on the stove and come to a boil. Now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to let it boil for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to pour this over the crackers. Now I'm going to let them cool off and then I'll break them up. I almost forgot. Preheat your oven 325 and bake these for 10 minutes after you pour the filling over it. And now they're out of the oven. I'll let them cool and then break them up. And now they're almost cool. I like them warm. Yum. I like mine broke about that size. I guess I break it any way it falls. It's good either way. Like I say, it's better warm. Just enough for me and whoever. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.